Begin by removing the heat shield to gain access to the driveshaft carrier. Make a cut on each side of the carrier frame. Unbolt the carrier from the body. Using a razor blade, cut the rubber all the way around to release the frame from the bearing. Cut the remaining loose rubber hanging off the front of the bearing, leaving the base layer of rubber intact. Take the top half of the carrier with the bushing in it and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and secure the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take your bolt, put a fender washer on it, an isolation damper facing up, slide it up into the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and place your small washer on the very top. Loosely thread it into the body. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up, up through the carrier, another isolation damper, and your small washer on top. Tighten both sides to the car. Reinstall your OEM heat shield. Then your installation is complete.